Welcome back for part 2. Rounds 16 through 21 will be using the main color, and you will notice there's different heights of stitches for the long side and the short side as we work our way around this, so pay careful attention to that. So for round 16, we're going to start in that corner chain 2 space just before the long side, and we'll start with a half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet. If you wish, you can start with a slip stitch and chain 2 for that first half double crochet. We'll chain 1, skip the first stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch. And we're going to repeat that 26 times down the side, or for a total of 26 times. So chain 1, skip a stitch, half double crochet. So you can go ahead and work that down the side, and I'll meet you just before the next corner. So once you've worked your way down the side, that last half double crochet will be in that double crochet just before the corner. We will make a chain 1, and then in this corner we want to work a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. So continuing down the short side, we will chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in next, 15 times down the side. So that's 14 and 15. We'll chain 1 and skip this last stitch. Then we're ready to start again with the half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet in this corner, chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet, and so on down the long side. So go ahead and finish that around both the remaining long side and the short side, joining to our starting stitch, but do not fasten off. So you will notice that I have changed my main color. I've gone to the pink color instead of the natural, just thought it'll show up better for you on the video to see. You'll also see that I have worked the next row as well, round 17. So 17, 18, 19, and 20 are all worked in the same manner. I will be showing you the different stitch counts for each of the rows. It's just adding one more set on each long side and one more set on each short side as we work these rows. So for these next 4 rows, that's 17, 18, 19, and 20, you will slip stitch into the corner chain space and work either a starting half double crochet or a chain 2 to equal the half double crochet. And then we will do our chain 2 corner space, half double crochet in that same space. Chain 1, then you'll skip the half double crochet, and working into the chain space, you'll make a half double crochet. Chain 1, half double crochet down the side. Then when you get to the next corner, you will work the double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 1, and then you'll work double crochets in the chain 1 spaces down the short side. So you can continue along for 4 rows in that manner, always joining to our starting stitch. So if you start with the chain 2 plus the chain 2 space, you'll want to join to that second chain to end each of these 4 rounds, and then again you slip stitch into the chain space in the corner to start the next round. So you can go ahead and work those 4 rounds, and I'll meet you after that. At the end of round 20, you will notice that your work is curling up a bit. That will sort itself out shortly. So for round 21, we are going to continue with our main color, slip stitching into that chain 2 space, and you can either start with the chain 3 to equal a double crochet or make a starting double crochet, and we'll place 4 more double crochet in that corner space for a total of 5 double crochet to start round 21. So I have 4 and 5 double crochet in our first corner to start the long side of round 21. We'll double crochet in the 63 stitches down the side, including the chain 1 spaces. So in each stitch and each chain 1 space, we will place a double crochet down the long side. So you can go ahead and work that, and I will join you just before the next corner. So as you've worked those double crochet down the first side, the 63rd, the last double crochet, should be in that double crochet that's worked in the corner. Then we will work 5 double crochet in this next corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then starting with this very first stitch, we will work double crochet in each of the stitches and chain 1 spaces down the short side, which should be 41 double crochet. So you can go ahead and finish that, remembering 5 double crochet in each of the corner, and then working the double crochet down the long and the short side. Round 22, we're going to be using the suggested color to use is the pistachio green. I'm using ice blue. We want to start in the corner stitch before a long side. So that's the center or the middle stitch of the group of 5 double crochet worked in the corner. We're going to start with a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet in that center double crochet of the corner before a long side. And then we want to make a back post double crochet around each of the next 67 stitches down the side. So remember, it's just a yarn over, insert your hook from the back around the post of the stitch out to the back, grab the yarn and pull it through, and then finish a double crochet. So you can go ahead and work those 67 back post double crochet down this long side, and I'll meet you at the next corner. Once you've worked those crochet down the long side, we'll have reached that center stitch in the corner, so we'll work our double crochet, chain 2 double crochet for our new corner. And then we want to work on the short side. We're going to back post double around each of those stitches, so that'll be 45 back post double crochet down the short side. When you get to that corner stitch, you will work the double crochet, chain 2 double crochet, and continue along the next long side and short side. So you can go ahead, work that all the way around. You will join to the top of our starting stitch and fasten off. The next several rounds are all worked in a similar style and is creating what is known as the seed stitch. So I will show you for this first round, and then I will show you a picture of each of my additional rounds with the suggested color and then the stitch counts for that round. So to start each of these rounds, the round 23 suggested is dark saffron. We will start with a single crochet in the corner space, double crochet, and then single crochet. So single crochet, double, single crochet in that corner space. We will double crochet in the next stitch, the very first stitch of the row, and then we'll just repeat down the row, single crochet, double crochet in the next, single crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, all the way down the row. When you get to the next corner, you'll just work that single crochet, double, single crochet. The next side, start with the double crochet first, single, double, double, when you work your way all the way around, you'll join to the starting stitch. So you'll join to the single crochet and then fasten off. When you start each additional row, you will just join to that center double crochet of the corner to start your single crochet, double crochet, single crochet in that stitch, and then just alternating between a double and single. So you can go ahead and work each of these rounds now. As well as you work the additional rows, you will be working double crochet into the single crochets and single crochets into the double crochet. So it'll be a double in this first single of the corner, single crochet in the double, double in the single. So we'll always alternate like that. Round 30, our final round for part 2. Pistachio green is a suggested color, and we want to find that corner stitch just before a long side. So we have a single crochet, double crochet, single crochet in the corner. So in that double crochet, we want to start. So you can start with a standing double crochet or slip stitch and chain 3 to count as a double crochet. Chain 2 and double crochet in that same stitch, and that forms our new corner. Double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and then we're going to place a double crochet in each of the 83 stitches down the long side. So double crochet in each stitch. When you reach the next corner stitch, you will place that double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and then work double crochet in the 61 stitches on the short side. So you can go ahead and work that all the way around, joining to our starting stitch and fasten off to end round 30 and part 2. Each side will have 85 double crochet, or each long side has 85 double crochet, and the short sides are 63 double crochet with chain 2 in the corners. See you back here next time for part 3.